see what we got. What animal? Oh, wow, look at that. What's that?
Look at that one.
What is it?
Wow. It's a peacock.
Yes, it is. Wow, magnificent.
Look, peacocks lay eggs.
Yes. Fashion
Look,
show.
they all the same. Look, they are the same animal. Look.
Yeah.
They have the same feathers.
Wow.
I think that one doesn't have the same. Look, that one. Oh, they're shaking.
Wow, they shimmer.
You know what it's called when they do that?
What?
Preening.
What's preening?
Preen. P-R-E-E-N.
What's preening?
Okay, come on, let's check it out.
Pretty.
Can you preen, Abby? Try to preen. Abby, do some preening.
What?
Preen.
Preening.
Preen a little bit.
Well, the goat.
Oh my gosh. He's a wild
And
goat.
goats eat apples and carrots.
He's trying to eat my finger.
Give her an apple. Give an apple, hon.
Wait.
Yeah, don't drop it. Give it to him. He can't reach you. Give it to him.
Oh my gosh.
Let him take a bite.
He's going to eat it.
Put-
He's only licking it.
He can't bite it. Push it in his mouth.
He can't really eat it.
Push it. He's only gonna bite it. All right, turn it around, maybe.
It's going to be the same thing.
Give it to him. Give it to him.
So we decided the animals cannot eat the whole big apples, so we're gonna do Daddy's frog crush machine. Yeah, watch him go! Sire! Here we go. This is good for you. That's your size. Crush machine, work!
Now give a piece to the cow again.
No, no.
Are you getting slimed?
No. The cow's not my favorite.
The cow is not your favorite.
Go ahead, Mom. Get slimed. Slimed.
There you go.
Did you get slimed?
No.
All right. Hold on. I just put an apple in the machine. Go ahead, sister. Go, Abigail. Go, Abby. Come on, it's gonna spin on you if you don't hurry. Calm down, it's coming. It's coming. Hurry, give her a piece of apple.
Right here.
Oh yeah, just drop it, because they got teeth. Like that. I think she likes it. Careful with the teeth, yeah, because their teeth, they're not, I don't know, I don't trust them. I like the cows with no teeth. Here you go. Jean crushed the apple for you.
Put this one on the ground.
There you go. Oh, look at the cute little goat.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I don't want her to bite. Bite.
Really?
So, I don't want her to spit on me or bite me.
Uh-oh.
Here we go, Miss Goodie.
Okay, hon, look, there's a goat, hungry goat over here, guys. Hungry goat. You're a different, thinner goat. Oh, you see, you usually get leftovers, but we're gonna save them.
There's two.
We're gonna save their day, right, Abby?
Yeah. Give me that book.
It's coming. Just hang in there. It's all right. It's coming, I'm telling you. It's gonna be all right. Put it in the machine, Abby, hurry. Okay, put another one in.
Who's hungry?
Oh, he's hungry. He's really freaking out for food. Give him an apple.
Oh, yeah, you're hungry.
Wow.
Oh, he might almost bite.
Right, here's the machine.
No, wait.
Oh, we made applesauce. Look what that machine did. You gotta pick it up. His hands to him. They won't hurt you.
Fighting. They are fighting.
Oh, give it to him. He's so hungry. Give him a big piece. Give him a big piece. Yeah, give him that.
No.
Yeah, give it to him. Yeah, he's so hungry. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. That's a
I
good
get
piece,
one
right?
for you.
That's a good piece. Yummy, 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 yummy.
You know what? If you say flows lava, I need to get on the okay? Says flows lava.
Say what?
Says flows lava.
The floor is lava. All right, you're gonna go up
And
this.
I'm safe?
You're safe,
Yeah.
but not now. Your feet are burnt off.
No.
Yeah.
We get off.
All right.
Pretend at 5 seconds to count at 5, okay?
All right.
Say the floor is lava.
The floor is lava. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, you just survived.
Wait, I have an obstacle course. You go here. And then you go on the mountain.
Yeah.
You go on this thing. And then you go on the slide. And
Yeah.
then you go for the tunnel. And that's for the video.
All right, let's do it.
Okay? That's an obstacle course.
Say it again.
Obstacle course.
Obstacle.
Obstacle course.
Pretty good. All right, let's do it. Let's see. All right, let's start the. What's it called?
Obstacle course.
Do it. You weren't able to do this last year. Go. We're rolling. Little Sally Walker. Whoa. Here's the hard one. Oh, you were not able to do that last year. Oh my goodness. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Don't. That's hot lava. Hot lava. Hot lava. Uh-huh. Come on. Oh.
No, Daddy. Can you stop the video, please?
All right. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.